Hi there, my name is Tanya Powers and I am the Executive Director for the Franklin County Industrial Building Authority located in Carnesville, Georgia, the county seat of Franklin County. And today, I'm so very excited to be talking to Russ Patterson, who's the General Manager for Alliance Supply and Piping. You guys have been in Franklin County for a while, for a long time now.
For about 16 years, that's right.
If you could just educate us, like I know what you do, you know what you do, but we want these great citizens, we want this community in Northeast Georgia and the state to know, like, this is who we are and this is why we chose to be in Franklin County. What was a contributing factor to that?
Well, we're Alliance Supply and Piping. We manufacture duct systems for commercial and industrial customers, mechanical contractors specifically, and we serve the Southeast.
As you guys were getting ready to potentially do this expansion, you could have chosen somewhere else.
That's true, we could have. We looked at the north side of town in the Marietta locations, and quite honestly, the commute it was going to take for me to manage a business like that, working here in Livonia, and commuting back and forth to a location like that, it really concerned me. One of my counterparts contacted you guys at the Building Authority, and lo and behold, had several pieces of property that we didn't know you owned on this particular road.
But having this 20-acre site right across the street from you guys that we owned, and being able to like partner that together, sell that to you guys, and now walk through the whole expansion piece of it.
The job expansion and the future expansion is going to add probably 35, 40 jobs possible to start with, and that's just in the first couple of years. So we developed the property over there, as you know. It's 37,000 square feet with the potential expansion for another 37,000 square feet. So if it goes as planned, it will expand pretty quickly, and I think we're going to need the extra space, to be honest.
Yeah, and I think having that availability of the future expansion of that, doubling the size, you know, you never know. I think to build exactly what you need, we've seen it time and time again where there's like, oh, I wish I would have. But I think you're planning for not just where you are, but like the vision of like where you guys are going. It's a community of people, and I think and I know it's the atmosphere that has been created here for like just appreciating your employees. And a lot of them have been here for a long time, and they love being here.
I'd say the majority of our employees do live here. They don't commute. The ones I've talked to and the ones that we communicate with, they don't want to leave the area. They don't want to go to Gwinnett. They don't want to go even as far as Commerce. They like this area, and they will not leave. So it's important for them to find a job in the community that can take care of them in a way and that can be appreciated and provide them growth. And I think they found it here. And the fact that we got the ones we have, it's been mostly all referrals.
I will speak for the whole board, you know, and just for the community as a whole. But we're thankful that y'all continue to want to be here, because we know that at any time you could decide not to be. You could decide to do your business. Your business is successful, but you could decide to do that anywhere else. And y'all continue to say, we choose Franklin County. And so we're grateful for that. We're grateful for the partnerships. They love this location.
They do love it.
And we love that they love living in Franklin County.
They do.
Yeah.